hiss, his. What's the difference? Let's take a closer look at that final z sound. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To make that z sound, press the tip of your tongue up towards the top of your mouth, around where your tooth meets your gum. Again, it should sound like z, z, right around that alveolar ridge with your tongue. Also make sure that your throat is vibrating. If your throat doesn't vibrate, it will make a s sound. If your throat vibrates, it'll make a z sound. The mouth position is roughly the same. Just remember to vibrate your throat. Now the z sound often appears at the ends of words, but when? If the letter before the S is a voiced sound, so for instance, it makes your throat vibrate right here. So again, like the letters B or D or R or other letters like that where your throat vibrates. So again, like a B or D or M sound. Then that means that the S is going to vibrate as well. That's why in a word like, for instance, needs, where you have that DS sound, it's going to have that Z sound. It's not needs, it's needs. You can also see this in other situations too, like cars or even bags. Let's now take a look at some common cases where this appears. His, was, heads, keys, bags, arrives, rains, runs, nails, houses, catches, shoes, sneakers, plans, planes. That concludes this video. Be sure to check out our others and subscribe to the channel to get more information about the Z sound and other sounds in American English pronunciation. My name is Geoff. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.